Hi there, good to have you back again. Now I'm going to show you how to mark out this block and how to use the pillar drill properly. So to find the centre of a square, we draw the diagonals. Quite often if I hold it on there and hold it like that and then hold that, I find that the whole lot wobbles around. So here comes the vice again. Take my advice, use a vice. Bet you like that one. Okay, so on here, block held in the vice, diagonal across. I'm just going to mark a small mark across the middle and another small mark across the middle there. And I've got the centre of that. And you can see there, not all the way across, just a small cross in the middle. The crosshair, that's the middle, indicates the centre where I want to drill. I take that and pop it in the jig that I showed you earlier and rotate the cam round. That's now locked. It can't go that way, it can't go that way, and it can't go that way. And neither can it fly up. The next thing is I'm going to turn the machine on. One of the most important things that you need to know about any machine is how to turn it off, and you learn that before you turn it on. That is really, really important. So to turn this machine off, there's a red button on the side, which you can't see very easily, but it's there. And there is a stop button on the floor, a mushroom button. So we can use either that or that. Around the room, there are emergency stop buttons. That's only used if I'm in trouble and somebody else sees I'm in trouble and can't control the machine. They will press it and that will stop the machine. I also have a guard. That comes down so no bits can fly up in my face. It's clamped so no bits will fly off. And the final bit I put on are my goggles. They must be safety goggles. They must protect the whole of the eyes, and you can see on here that these are a very good pair, and if I tap them, my eyes are completely safe. Only at that point can I drill. Put the guard down, press the on button, and we just check that the drill here is running straight, concentrically. We get hold of the handle and we bring it down. It will automatically stop because I've set the depth, and I bring that up and I can stop it. I bring that up, rotate the cam, bring this out. There is always a temptation to blow the dust. Don't blow the dust. Never blow the dust. It can go in your eye very easily. So we just tap it on there. And with a bit of luck, the dowel which I showed you last time will slide into there. It's a little bit tight. So if you recall, we get the glass paper out. Some people refer to this as aluminium oxide paper. We rub that down. We rub the edge of that off to make sure it's smooth. We knock it, not rub it. Put that into there. Push. And we've got that perfectly secure in there. That's how to put a piece of dowel into a block, which could be the neck for my blockhead. It might be the arm for my blockhead. But you can see how to do that.